How's it going, YouTube? It's Aaron with Siegfried's Motorworks. Here today, I'm letting everyone watching this video in on a little secret that I learned 13 years ago when I first started riding motorcycle. And that secret is buy a battery tender. Buying a battery tender is one of the greatest investments any rider can make early in their riding career because it will pay off dividends throughout the lifetime of your career. So what a battery tender does is, a battery tender hooks into your power sport battery and it will automatically keep that thing charged. It will allow it to cycle down, pull back up, but it will ensure that you keep a healthy, fully charged battery at all times. If you do buy this battery tender junior pack, it includes the battery tender junior, which just hooks into your standard wall outlet. It also includes 2 alligator clips, a positive and a negative, as well as battery tender's pre-lead system. Specifically with the pre-lead system, what that does is it allows you to install this on your bike one time. You don't have to, every time you want to charge your battery, unbury it from the bike and then hook up alligator clips. You can put these pre-leads directly on. Now, there's one benefit. Pretty much everyone, I should say, the benefit of having battery tender is, you know, you're getting a quality product, but there's a lot of other brands on the market that make them, and pretty much everyone that I've ever encountered uses the same style pre-plugs. So battery tenders, you can hook a battery tender onto someone else's pre-plugs, as well as battery tenders accessories. One accessory that I found while riding that has been more useful than not is their USB charger. So what this does is it allows you to hook this device specifically onto your bike's battery tender pre-leads. So while you're riding down the road, let's just say you're running a GPS, you're trying to charge your phone, you're trying to charge any other items that are electronic while you're going down the road. You simply hook this up to your battery tender pre-leads and it gives you a USB port that you can, myself personally, I use it to charge my phone because when I'm riding, I typically have my phone on a RAM mount. I'm using it for navigation, I'm using it for music, I'm using it for a plethora of other things. Plus, everyone knows your cell phone batteries just don't last. So this ensures that no matter where you are, you can always have a fully charged phone. Both these items can be purchased here at Siegfried's Motorworks. There's a ton of places online to buy them. Honestly, the best place if you're buying one online to purchase it is Amazon. They are a little bit cheaper there. They actually sell them there cheaper than you're allowed to sell them. So I'm not really sure how that works. But at any rate, thank you so much for watching. If you can, hit the like button. Comment if you have a battery tender. Tell me the different ways that this thing has came in handy for you. Let me know that in the comments. I love hearing stories like that. But at any rate, again, thank you for watching. If you can, smack the subscribe button. Stay up to date with everything going on here at Siegfried's Motorworks.